Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a transition in Filmora. Transitions are a great way to create smooth transitions between your video clips, and they can help to make your videos look more professional. So, let's get started. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is import your video clips into Filmora. You can do this by clicking on the Import button in the toolbar and selecting your files. Step 2. Once your files are imported, you need to drag and drop them onto the timeline. The timeline is the vertical strip at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. The next step is to click on the Transitions tab in the toolbar. This will open up the transition library. Step 4. There are many different transitions available, so take some time to browse through them and find one that you like. Once you've found a transition you want to use, drag and drop it between the two clips on the timeline. Step 5. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging the edges of the transition clip. Step 7. To preview the transition, click on the play button. Here you can see you've put a transition. Step 8. Once you're satisfied with the transition, click on the Export button and the window will pop up. Choose your preferred export settings such as resolution, FPS, and your save location. When you are satisfied with the settings, click on the Export button. Now wait until the export is complete. Step 9. After that, click on the Find Target button. When you click on it, you will find your file. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to put transition in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.